shadows in my chest. I'm chasing down the horizon but can't escape the rest. This is the last day of your life on a bike, so breathe it in deep, let the moment ignite. Ride through the sorrow, ride through the pain. You'll never feel freedom like this again. This is the last day of your life on a bike. Let the tears fall fast in the cold of the night. Engines fade quiet but the spirit remains. You'll never feel freedom like this again. Street lights flicker like the thoughts in my head. Every line on the pavement's a word I never said. Hands grip the bars like I'm holding on to faith, but the clock keeps counting, no time left to waste. Memories and mirrors, ghosts in the chrome, faces of the people I'll never bring home. The throttle screams louder than the fear in my chest, but tonight's the confession and the ride is